In this comprehensive video, we are going to explore 10 effective feed types that can transform your catfish farming operation into a more profitable venture. So, number one is commercial floating pellets, and these commercial floating pellets are the gold standard in modern catfish farming. These scientifically formulated feeds typically contain 28 to about 32% protein, and they stay up afloat on the surface of the water where you are housing your catfish. They stay there for at least 10 to 15 minutes. They stay afloat, allowing farmers to monitor feeding behavior easily. And the floating nature of these pellets helps to prevent overfeeding and also waste accumulation at the pond's bottom for optimizing results. And choose pellets that are specifically designed for your catfish, their species, and their size, which is very important. Too big feed can result in the catfish not eating and then high mortality rates. Okay. So number two we are going to talk about is soybean meal based feed. Soybean meal is an excellent protein source that comprise up to 45% to 50% of your catfish feed. And they are rich in essential amino acids and relatively affordable. It is an ideal base for farm made feeds. And to create a balanced feed, combine soybean meal with rice or wheat bran, okay, fish meal, and then also vitamin minerals and also some vegetable oil. So if you want to talk about some of the percentages, rice or the wheat bran can take about 25%. While combining, and then also the fish meal can take 10%, 2% for the minerals and vitamins, okay, and then also 3% for the vegetable oil. So that is it for soybean meal based feed. So we are going to talk about fish meal supplements, which is number three on our list. They are very expensive, and fish meal is one of the most nutritious protein sources for catfish. If you are looking to make some profit, while these are expensive, they are very of high quality. They actually contain essential amino acids, omega-3 fatty acids, and minerals that promote rapid growth. So with this strategy or feed, what you can do is that from time to time, maybe after a week or two, you can just try and give them some of these fish meal supplements just to boost the growth. So they actually include 5 to 15% fish meal in your feed mixture for optimal results, and this is particularly important for fingerlings and breeding stock. So that is the early stages of the fish. Is very important to at least once a while during the first weeks you give them some of these fish meal supplements to boost their growth. Okay, so number four on the list is rice bran and agricultural byproducts. While rice bran is an economical energy source that can constitute 20 to 30% of your feed mixture, it actually provides essential carbohydrates and some protein. If you combine ground maize with wheat middlings and also cassava meal, these ingredients create a cost-effective base for your feed. Okay. So number five on our list is fermented feed mixtures, and these fermented feeds actually offer improved digestibility and nutrient availability. So you have to create these by fermenting a mixture of soybean meal, rice bran, and fish waste, and also agricultural byproducts. They allow the mixture to ferment for 24 to 48 hours before feeding, and this process can actually increase protein content and reduce anti-nutritional factors. Number six on our list is kitchen waste and vegetable scraps. While they are not suitable as primary feed source, properly processed kitchen waste can supplement your feeding program for your catfish. For some of the things you can consider for kitchen waste and vegetable scraps, you have to consider vegetable trimmings and fruit peels and rice and pasta leftovers. Ensure that the waste is chopped finely and free from contaminants before you serve them for feeding. So number seven on the list is high protein sinking pellets. Sinking pellets are essential for bottom feeding catfish species, and these should contain around 35 to 40% protein for fingerlings, and then 28 to 32% of protein for adult catfish. Okay, so essential vitamins and minerals use these during cold weather, when fish are less active near the surface. So number 8 on our list, we are going to talk about blood meal and meat byproducts. And blood meal and meat byproducts also provide high quality protein and essential minerals, and include these about 5 to 10% of your feed mixture. They are valuable for breeding stock and also fast growing fingerlings, stressed or recovering fish. It's very important for them. So number 9 on our list is brewery waste. All right, they are particularly spent grain and in an excellent protein, and also fiber source. It is often available at low cost from local breweries. Benefits include high protein content. They are also rich in B vitamins and good fiber source mixed with other ingredients that create a balanced feed diet for your catfish. So number 10 on the list is a grain fodder and aquatic plants. Okay, and supplementing with green fodder and also aquatic plants can provide additional nutrients and also promote natural feeding behavior. So for some of these, you have to consider the duckweed, okay, azolla, and then water hyacinth. And these plants can be grown in separate ponds and harvested regularly for feeding. So for some best practices for feed management to maximize the benefits of these feed types, you have to constantly monitor water quality. Different feeds affect water quality differently, and regular testing is very essential. You have to engage with your veterinary doctor or doctors that are specialized in the animal, catfish, or fish industry. Okay, so one thing you need to also do to maximize the benefits of this feed is the feeding schedule. You have to feed 2 to 3 times daily, adjusting amounts based on the fish size and also their appetite. So the storage, you have to keep feed in a cool and dry place to prevent mold growth and also nutrient degradation. Cost analysis is also very important in this. Regular evaluate feed costs against fish growth rates to optimize their profitability. So by incorporating the different feed types strategically, you can actually develop a cost-effective feeding program that promotes healthy, while maintaining also quality of your water. Okay, so remember to introduce new feeds gradually and monitor your fish's response to ensure optimal results. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Peace out.